Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, April 26, 2021. Today's video is about House in Provence. House in Provence is an oil-on-canvas painting by the French artist Paul Cézanne, depicting a home painted with muted tones and soft colors, accented by the grey-blue mountains in the background, the soft greens of the rolling hills, and the brown tones of the fields. This landscape is set on the south side of Montagne Sainte-Victoire in southern France, which was a favorite subject of the artist. The painting is in the collection of the Indianapolis Museum of Art. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.